Schlage lock not working. If your Schlage lock isn't working, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. 1. Check the batteries. If it's a battery-operated lock, low or dead batteries can cause it to malfunction. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and see if that resolves the issue. 2. Verify the lock alignment. Ensure that the lock is properly aligned with the strike plate on the door frame. Misalignment can prevent the lock from engaging or disengaging properly. 3. Inspect the keypad and buttons. If you have a keypad lock, make sure there's no dirt or debris blocking the buttons. Clean the keypad gently if needed. 4. Reset the lock. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve issues. Check your lock's manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset or reprogram the lock. 5. Lubricate the lock. Use a graphite lubricant on the keyway and other moving parts. Avoid using oil-based lubricants as they can attract dirt and cause more problems. 6. Check the door and lock mechanism. Ensure that the door isn't swollen or warped, which can affect the lock's operation. Also, check that the latch and other components are working smoothly. 7. Examine the battery contacts. If the lock isn't turning on, the battery contacts might be dirty or misaligned. Clean them carefully and make sure they're making good contact. 8. Consult the manual. Look for troubleshooting tips in the lock's user manual. There might be specific instructions or error codes to follow.